Hi, I'm Clara, and I'm a student at Lab Rat Academy. Today, we are going to be dissecting a stingray. I am going to identify some of the structures on the dorsal side of this skate. These are the eyes, and they have little hand-like structures to keep too much light getting in their eyes. These are the sphericals that help to take in water. They're on their back because you don't want water getting in through the bottom because it'll get all sandy. These pectoral fins, also known as wings, help them to swim around in the ocean. This little barb right here on the tail helps to protect them from predators. I could tell this one was a boy because at the bottom it had two little finger-like protrusions that they use to hold on to females during mating. Follow along with me as I dissect a stingray. We just cut open the skate and immediately we see the liver. And the liver helps to filter the blood. What I'm about to do now is remove the liver. Now that we've removed the liver, we can see the stomach and the intestines. Right now, I'm cutting open the stomach so I can see what's in here. This is the spiral valve, and it's called the spiral valve because unlike people, these guys don't have very long intestines, they just have short little ones. So to keep food in there longer, it goes in a spiral shape to digest and absorb. I'm cutting into the pericardial cavity so that I can see the heart. We found the heart, and next to it are the gills. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.